Hey y'all, welcome back, whatever time that you are watching this video. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon, okay, and maybe a little bit of good night if everybody's normally asleep, okay. So y'all, I went to Piggly Wiggly. I didn't want to get much. Y'all know I'm already obsessed with this Piggly Wiggly. It's about 20-25 minutes from me. Very clean. I did a video on that. Love it. So I went there and my goal was to only get produce, but I ended up having to get milk. So I'm going to show y'all what I was able to get, what was very cheap. You will see some sausage in here, but I didn't get that run. They picked that up, but it was part of the haul, so I went on and put it in here. But let me go ahead and show y'all what I got. This is, like I said, this is just a Piggly Wiggly shopping haul. I will put the date in the thumbnail of when I filmed this, okay? I think I'll start doing it. That way you will know when I saw it on sale, okay? So yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this video, this shopping haul. It's a shopping haul, I guess, vlog, I guess you could say, something like that. Whatever. Let's get into it. All right, y'all. So I got some of these string beans. They was what was they? I can't remember, but oh, it says on there $1.99 a pound. $1.99 a pound, okay? So this pack right here was $2.19. This pack was $2.03. This one was $2.30. Let me pull it back so you can see how much is in there. Okay. These was $2.01. And these were $2.15. So fresh green beans until mine come out the garden. Right here I saw these shepherd cabbage greens. So I'm gonna find something to do with that. We're gonna do a recipe with that, y'all. And of course I'm gonna film it. We're gonna do a quick recipe with that, okay? So this one was $1.59 for this one. This one was $1.88. This one was $1.89. And this one was $1.48, okay? So y'all know we have to limit our dairy because of our iron. So I got some Planet oat milk, and we like the almond milk. I don't care for almond milk like that, but if I have to, it need to be flavored, and I don't need to be making mac and cheese or mashed potatoes with no almond milk. Ugh. But we're gonna try this coconut flavored one, and then this oat milk. We got rice milk here, and we can handle the rice milk too, okay? So right here is I love getting these little gold. They kind of seem like they already buttered. These little boutique steamable potatoes. They so good. They have a yellow one inside. Like, they so good, y'all. Got a bag of sweet onions. Found these on clearance. They 99 cents. Look at that, for all them peaches. So we're gonna eat those. Got 2 packs that was over there on that clearance section. 99 cents. Y'all know I always pick up these peanuts. I got 3 bags over there I need to cook. And I went on and grabbed 3 more bags because they $5 each. And then I got some bananas right there. And then this right here is the sausage that Oronde picked up. They remind me of the sausage we get from the slaughterhouse back home. But he got 3 packs, so that is all him. Because I won't be eating that. But yeah, this is what I ended up getting from Piggly Wiggly, y'all. So I can't wait to use these right here. The cabbage, I can't wait to use I know what I'm gonna do with these. I can't wait to use this in a recipe. Let me know if you done heard of shepherd cabbage before. Let me know if you done heard of that, okay? So yeah, so I got chicken in the crock pot. But we ate late, and the kids, we all had Chipotle because that's more of a healthier thing. We was out again, so we gotta eat, so we had to pick up some. So we all ate Chipotle, except for Oronde. He don't like Chipotle. What we like, he don't too much like, so he don't get it. So but yeah, so we're full. So this bad boy right here that I got in here, I made a curry chicken. Threw it in the crock pot. Woo! Hold up, it's steamed up. And that's going to be for dinner tomorrow. That's just a little bit of sea salt and curry powder on it. That's it. In that crock pot. Oh, a little black pepper. That's it. So that's what's in there. So dinner, part of dinner is ready tomorrow. Oh, y'all, so I am on my couch. Oh, my goodness. So, yeah, that is the end of that. I told y'all it was a quick little shopping haul just to show y'all what I ended up picking up. But I am in the process of filming the ending to multiple videos. So I'm still in this green tank top because it's the same day. This is a get the videos ready, finished up day, I guess you could say, because I got half of a lot of videos filmed and not the rest of them. That's the way it be, y'all. That's the way it be. But this video I end up having to go to Piggly Wiggly today, so I just went on and filmed it because I needed to put that milk up. So, yeah, y'all. So, that is the end of this video. Thank y'all for watching. Comment below and let me know about that shepherd cabbage, okay? Give me some recipes below. On my cooking videos, you can tell me what you do different. I may not do it, you know, depending on what you use or not like that. But, you know, throw some ideas in there. It's fine. With that being said, I'm going to go ahead and end it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit the notification bell so we notified each and every time that I upload a video. And I want y'all to be safe. And I will see you in the next one if it's God's will. Okay, until next time. Bye. Love y'all.